digging on you, digging on me, baby, baby, ooh, baby, baby. It's all like that, it's all like that. I gotta be in love with something like that.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a review from Alipearl. See, somebody's trying to steal my box here, but I got it back. So I have a new wig from Alipearl. Right off the bat, their packaging is super cute. I love doing this little unboxing for you guys. So let's go ahead and just jump into what came with my wig. This is everything that was in the box. And now let's get into the wig. So I have a bob wig. It is 10 inches and it's actually a glueless unit. It comes pre-plucked and it looks like it's already bleached. The hair, of course, is cut. It's just ready to go. The one thing I did notice is that there aren't any combs, just the strap. So you definitely want to make sure that you get the correct size. I believe I have an average size. I do have a larger size head, but let's go ahead and put this on. So I actually did not do any bleaching. I did not do any bleaching or plucking. I did add makeup to the lace and that was it. So super duper easy. I actually really love this unit because of how easy it was and quick. I didn't even shampoo the hair. I literally just put it on out of the bag. Like I said, I added makeup, so very beginner friendly, and it's ready to go right out of the bag. So of course, I am going to be kind of giving it some, style. You got to get the little bends out just from shipping and handling type of thing like that. And then with bobs, you always have to kind of bend your ends because they just never stay right. So anyways, that's what I'm doing now, just kind of making sure that the bob fits my head. I think it came with a middle part and I actually wanted a side part. I did also style it in the middle part just so you guys could see, but I love a side part, especially on a bob. So that's what I was doing, and it did take me a while to get the hair to lay in the direction of the side part, just because it was it came as a middle part, so it was kind of set in that style for so long. But anyways, nonetheless, it was super easy. The hair looks great, as you guys can see. I am flat ironing it just to give it, a good bouncy type of feel. And it looks really cute. It was very easy. Yeah, 10 inches, super nice. I actually had no issues at all with the hair or the cut. So getting into the cut, I think it's a great length. Like I said, it's 10 inches. All around, this hair is just amazing. I'm so glad it was super easy to just throw on. Like I said, no bleaching or plucking, which was amazing. So again, the links are in the description box below if you guys are interested. And I feel like this wig actually came out looking very natural, especially for me not to have to do any type of glue on this unit or anything like that. So very easy. Check them out. Links are in the description box below, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you in the next video.
Try Silvia. Digging the scene, digging on you, digging on me, baby, baby, ooh, baby, baby, it's all like that, it's all like that. I gotta be in love with her, and I am digging the scene, digging on me, baby, baby, ooh, baby, baby, it's all like that, it's all like that. I gotta be in love with something like that. Try Silvia.